Young chorus. Make it be a fine, fine. Nigga. Borga.
Yes.
Borga.
How are you?
Borga, Tucky now, Akwaaba. Borga, what be your matter? Akwaaba, where she catching fire? Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Borga, what be your matter? Akwaaba, where she catching fire? Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Akwaaba, if you leave you go murder. Borga, what's that, baby? What's that, baby? What's that, baby? Borga, what's that, baby? What's that?
It's a Kennedy walk inside on me.
Make a child with you. For the past 1 month, your friend is saying another codica 6,000 was here. You manage a wolf.
No, maybe you're talking about different Kennedy. Maybe Kennedy, a Japan politician.
Yeah, boss now, first number.
Yes, on what Kennedy, Japan.
Or the cast 6,000, yeah, depending on I wanted to say. But you're adding.
Kennedy Japan de Kawa Hasi. I'm more Shishano.
Yes, Shishano. So I only baby so when I bet you.
Madam, are you sure of what you're telling me?
I'm sure I'm coming country.
Kennedy Japan billionaire and de Kawa Hasi. I'm more Shishano.
Yeah, Shishano, I wanted.
No. Kennedy Japan, I make out.
I know, I mean, so no.
One can be your quancho.
Okay, your kind is so Kosunyan school be bad. I don't know. That's all back in a week time. But on by a friend is why you
Miss my friend, I mean, I'm me feel say you're inside or you're real. Be my friend now for the past 3 weeks. Grab and say,
now only me feel so.
That be me feel. Maybe I have a year, my dear, like.
Oh, I want to find today in case a woman now in can no me I
Borga. Top key. Yanko. Una. Avere wani maguyasio. Una. Zeni viasitie. Una. Avere wani maguyasio. Una. Zeni viasitie. Munzo zonka. Noviano asemo. Enena mediaba. Ebi achina na osodia na mo. Onimpa mama pa minye. Na yoro mezentu magufi. Onsoya maya. Odi Nkansah wo osuye ano.
Charlie Weezy. Yeah, be a miss my coffee. I bet to me so bad.
Hey, Emma. We are dancing. Ube Pameri. Are you a dancing? We are dancing. Ube Pameri. Are you a dancing?
You put me in a saw me so. Are you a dancing? Mrs. Saw me so. Every day. You put me in a saw me so. You know the rest. Mrs. Saw me so. Are you a dancing? You put me in a saw me so. And saw me so. Are you a dancing? Saw me so. You the fella. You put me in a saw me so. You know me demon.
Oh, so this is a plantation. Or remit is a plantain chips. Or remit is a plantain chips. I say, boy, we are good, we are amazing. Hey, one question, are you a dantem? Unti and a jomin dantem. Be the password, the bottom in dantem. Yeah, so me to be the anthem.
This is all me so. Saw me so. You put me in a saw me so. This is all me so.
Jaka pia saw me so. Oh yeah, dear boy me so. Well, yeah, ninti o ne me kon. Uri me so sad and kon. Mato wa saw me so. Sister pia saw me so. I rap na saw me so. Sister ko saw me so. Oh my brand day. Hey, ma you in it.
Over there. Yes. At the room, correct. We are sure. Is that your boss in there, the neighbor, and your boss never down. Always scanning to pay correct bar. Why? Okay. That condition, yeah. But I found out why.
Good afternoon. Upon to say, they come up, more condition, and I say,
That's okay, 500 to 1,000.
500 to 1,000. Where's your tower?
That's all.
Okay, so town rooms, I say,
That's what I'm going to
200. Okay, my memory, 1,000 yen about. The moment trend in any way. Let's go.
So, time is your. Yes, sure. Let's have to tell you. Okay,
Peace.
definitely. Wow!
Interesting. Acknowledge the battle has ended. Apollo and Unia in fee.
Yes, sir.
I never chin me. I'm what you be symmetry. We are still on 77. Do one long to watch more than years. You don't do a cheer. I'm a new how much 10 which is as a senior man. In a man and church. How young money, minimum, curiosity, and 2 being in a neighbor, mass minano. Minimum never never. It's net day, I asked them, the mom. So I say, is cat and a mother and cry. Was yes, guy who could feel you 50 years, we could 40, 29 years. How someone saw some bad, okay, between a mammy and you're doing big. They are here soon, when you're son. My idea, Tinedy, I asked that. I'm promising to say, Moncosinac, my pass, I knew my cheek. Now, my papa at the moment. We didn't match him for a deal with a Canadian bono. One will be with someone about quite what I say. Penny, when you said they would tell me papa. Your man Penny didn't to me for you. We are dangerous bedroom. To my idea. Tim promise me say. I didn't pay off on my Makuma Swadi. And it was Makuma Swadi. Made a moment. We say will be a brave. More than a trammission. Mobile corner. Most my papa to my home. And we say Muku Eddie and Sebi. When you have a good morsel, why?
Come on, can one. That's right.
When you find him was well, before we knew any Jim Sam, Nema whom he has some fata.
It's a different
percent, Moody Sky, Nema, Enyas and Nema, Monsambra, Namu Miscava Quenas, really a for Jimmy. Montutum, move me the jam and I'm waiting at the team. Make off never be. Come on.
I could push up.
I feel come
on my way, be unconscious. But I for shots will
nice.
Don't share, you know. One year more home.
happening? You know Ken defrauded me. Talk. Ken, your boyfriend. What happened to you guys? Like, are you break up or what?
No, Ken has fraud.
Frauding in what way? Is it a business frauding or relationship tips? What are you talking about?
I took money from my dad. And I gave it to Ken.
Huh? What for?
I gave him 500,000. I took the money from my dad. And he's not picking up my calls. Seriously.
No, don't cry. Don't cry. When was that? When was that?
He told me. He took me to their house and he said he wanted us to put on pineapple factory on the building. In the house, why you ready this?
So did you steal the money or you just...
No, I took it from my dad. I took 300,000 from my dad. And I added to mine.
That's 5 billion old currency. So what you gonna do now? Do you want us to confront him or what?
Two man against the broken arm. DJ Lewin. Your colors. Mama menka, mama menka, mama menka, mama menka, ekra meka, ekra meka, killa beu, killa beu, killa beu, killa beu, killa would die, killa would die, killa would die, killa would die. Killa bago, killa bago, killa bago, killa bago. You nyamye jano ye money dia o. You nyamye jano ye money dia o. Otu mitwa o se wangora wo. Okwadwo me na me kron. Otu mitwa o se wangora wo. Okwadwo me na me kron. Mususiye enyinara kamutru makodo emena megromi mumma munsam we ya kala mi ya we ya fasta me ya quick medumu kan me chamu kwai amafa kekase le reason no oye sick sama bomu dono ye bomu nyasa kadebra muti moso manakwa me sheda dempa kwa owepa onabeka etomu double ba me be shutu agaga akraba okraba mo fire kwasam naba ofisa me medaw yes Kela beu, kela be, la show, kela beu, kela beu, you know what it is, This be hip hop, my niggas before link up and chill up. They gonna fit you show, visit tell them to shut up.
Yeah, very fine. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry that. But we didn't see Mukula. Let's marry your plan. There are super brave. And making a movie was my views. I'm already up to you.
Has Mom called you yet?
Yeah, she called me last night.
Okay. Let me see. What did she say?
She was just checking up on me. Why, she didn't call you?
No, not yet. She promised doing that, but she hasn't yet.
Okay.
Sandy. You are not eating your food.
I'm eating.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm eating.
No, listen. I know how you enjoy your meals. Why? Is it not delicious?
It is. I'm eating.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, so when you have so much here, and yet, you know from home.
It's nice.
OGD.
Yeah.
And if I need you, dear.
But I'm eating.
Don't lie to me. No. Just open up to me. Is there anything the matter?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Nothing. The food is nice.
Oh, mommy. Anyone else? Why was it, man?
The food is nice. Wow. My egg is finished.
Yeah, okay.
Mine is finished.
Take this one. Fidgeting with my phone. A lot of information on it and going through them.
Daddy.
Yes, dear. Why? Is there anything the matter at a day and a half?
I want to tell you something, but
But what?
I don't know how you're going to take it.
You know, sometimes I marvel at your attitude towards me. I've told you that you are all that I have. And for that matter, you shouldn't hide anything from me. Listen, if anything happens to you, it will affect me negatively. You know, Mom is not here. You are my everything here. So why try to hide something from me?
Okay.
Sandy, cheer up and let me know.
Do you remember I asked you for 300,000 the last time that I wanted to add to my money for some business?
Yeah, I do. What has happened to that amount?
The truth is that I met a guy. I met this guy, and then actually the guy was so good to me and I liked him. So he spoke to me about some business, and then I was like, I think he has a future, so why don't I help him? At least if I do that thing and it comes to you, you'll be surprised. And unfortunately,
Don't tell me you have been defrauded.
Dad, no, like calm down. I'm talking.
No. I wouldn't let you. You know, you come from a home. See the way I have brought you up. Apart from the education that you had, you are from a good home. So why allow yourself to be defrauded by a certain guy that you don't know all of a sudden?
Daddy, this is not the situation of me being...
No, listen. I'm getting disappointed in you.
No.
You are talking about 300,000 Ghana cedis. 3 billion. And you are telling me a certain guy you met on the street has taken that amount from you?
No, actually, he took me to his house. Like his house, he claims he was laying there.
He claimed to be his house.
Actually, that was where I've been going to see him. That was where I saw him. And then he took me there to meet some people there. Like he said, what he was talking about was all business. And I thought he had a future. And then I thought you'd be surprised when I bring that home. But I've been calling the guy and he's not picking up my calls.
See yourself.
Sorry.
See yourself. I'm dumbfounded, but let me be frank with you. If you had confided in me, I would have advised you. Because these guys lately are crooks.
I know.
Yes.
But I thought you wouldn't allow me to do. That is why I did it without your consent.
No, you know, I've told you on several occasions that you are all that I have.
Borga, top key.
Mama Pamine, and I always send to my goofy. Oh, sorry, my